Hey there, a really quick video to show you how to update your WordPress so that you have a blog and a project. So you're going to log into your WordPress, and on the back end, on the left side, you're going to have two content types that you see by default. On the left, you'll see here on the screen a posts content type, and that's where your blog posts will go. So I'm going to show you that right now. So this is where I have my content type that is a blog post set. So all the blog posts go here, and then what happens is I have a projects tab as well, and I can put all the projects that I've done in this tab. So I've done this for clients where they have a blog and then they have projects that they are case studies for their portfolio. So we can create those two different content types. So I'm going to switch to that one now, and just to show you here on the website, you'll see that within WordPress, you click in here, this is a different content type, but it's exactly the same as if it was a blog post, but the website sees this as two different content types. So when you're blogging, you just do it on your posts, and then when you need to categorize or input a new project, you can put it into your project's content type here. So it's all on this left side. Have a look. You can treat these two basically pretty similarly. You can add tags and categories for both your blog posts and your portfolio content types. And then if you have a builder such as Divi or Elementor, you can have what they usually include in the plugin to build web pages. You can have filterable galleries. I've done this with Divi, so I think that is super helpful, and I'm pretty sure you can find a plugin that has a filterable gallery type function that will help you turn your projects into its own little gallery. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like, and then I can show you on here. So if you want to build your, let's say, portfolio, my portfolio is just one page right now, but let's say you want to put your individual projects on this as well. Using Divi, you can come in here, come down, and add a section that will allow you to do the portfolio here. So I can actually go ahead and say I want to include anything in here. I'm going to skip the pagination, just have title and content. I don't have categories set, so it's not going to let me select my categories, but I'm going to go ahead and click yes. And then here you'll see my first project pop up, and that was the same project that you saw on the back end. So let's see. I'm gonna type my website here again. So you'll see on my blog post, all the blog posts are on this blog post feed here, but all the projects are within that filterable portfolio. So that's the difference. I'm not actually gonna save this because I don't want it on here right now. I haven't kind of built out that part of my website yet, but I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of how you can do that on your own site, especially on WordPress.